smarter way. We're going to learn the smarter way and quicker way because we are connecting to the real world. Connection to real world helps you to digest the knowledge quickly, recollect quickly, apply quickly. Make the real world as your teacher. Connect to the real world, learn the smarter and quicker way. In the last episode, we worked on how to scale Spring Boot. We saw how to auto-scale in the real world. Now we're going to watch how to auto-scale in software world, especially using Spring Boot. What we'll learn first. So in this episode, we're going to learn about Hello World Spring Boot with a REST API call. Then we are going to connect to Spring Boot with cloud platform, maybe the Google Cloud. The next step, we are going to containerize the Spring Boot. Put that in a client registry. Why should we put that in a client registry? Because the Kubernetes Google Cloud platform has an ability to pick up a containerized Spring Boot application from registry and put it in a Docker. Now we come to the core part, the concept of autoscaling. So we'll create more than one pods and then assign it to a 3-node load balancer to explain the concept of autoscaling. Cloud platforms. So we're going to have a look at the Spring Boot application now, and we'll find out if we can start coding now and make a Spring Boot application. So the first and foremost thing is that you can see that there is a demo application here. And the usual way, as I told you, was that you first have to go to Spring Starter web, right? Spring.io .starter start.spring spring initializer, and for the demo we have to pick, since we are going to do a Google Cloud platform, we are first going to add dependencies related to cloud. So add dependencies, just type Google, get Google Cloud platform, GCP messaging is added, then you add again GCP support, Google Cloud Storage, and then you also add Google Cloud Platform GCP support. So you added all these 3 dependencies now. you're going to go for Java 8, right? And the language is Java, project is Maven, your release is 2.3.2. Then you're going to generate control here. You got a demo.zip. Explode this demo.zip. We're using 7-zip. Extract all. And you can extract this in a test folder. Test 234. Extract. So after you extract this, you will get the demo folder, right? You see the form in this. So what we need to do is we need to go here, file, and then say new, and go to project from existing sources, and then point to this form, which I already done, and export it. So this is your demo application. We can run it and check if it's working. So what we are doing different in the Spring Boot is we are not just writing a hello world for REST application. We have to connect this to Google Cloud, and we get a message here, error connecting with Google credentials, defining class paths resource. And the error is bean installation via factor method failed. Why is this failing? Let's try to analyze this issue first. So we have all the Google related changes here, but it's still not able to connect. Let's try to analyze this. So now we're going to again think about resolving the issue, what we are facing. So we were facing the issue here. We were not able to run our Spring Boot application, the demo, and we were getting some errors when we ran this. What is the error we got when we ran this? The Spring Boot was not able to come up. And it said that it's not able to find a file, the JSON file. So let's see, how we can resolve this issue. What we are going to do is we are going to come to a service account, and from the service account, we are going to generate a JSON, right? So let's try to generate a JSON for the default compute engine. Click on. So I just want to introduce you the console.cloud.google.com at this point. And the way you go inside your Google Cloud is you say console.google.com, and you must be having the email ID, right? Gmail ID. So log in with those credentials. So you are inside your console.cloud.google.com. But before that, you need to, invoke the trial version. I'm not going to go more deep into that, but You do get a 300 points by default, and you can start using them with the trial version. It's worth it because you will have a lot of learning. So here, without wasting much time, I'm going to show you what we have to do. So you have to create key here. You create a JSON. When you say create, it gets downloaded into your download folder, right? So what I'm going to do is share my entire screen to show you what is going on. Downloads, we have a file valid Arcanum 2855 CFP. Let's see what is there inside this. You have this all credentials, which will show you the details of how to log in. Now, what I'm going to do is that I don't need this. Let's try this one. Maybe, you can put this JSON inside your file. And then you can try that.